Alright guys, so just dropped off the wife and I parked in a Walmart parking lot, kind of just anywhere, and I'm about to basically just show you guys what I'm doing throughout this day. I'm going to try to heat press out for the first time, and the vinyl cutter, I'm going to plug it up and try and figure it out. If I fail, then you guys are going to see if I fail, and if I do succeed, then you're going to see if I succeed. So just stay to the end of the video, see what happens. I don't know what's going to happen because I haven't done it yet, so we're going to see. But right now, I'm actually on my way. I'm going to go to the candy store, I call it, because I am a medical marijuana patient. So I'm going to go pick up my relief, and we're going to go from there. After that, I'm going to go head home. So I'll see you guys then. Alright? Peace out.
Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right?
So, just got out, guys. Got my mask halfway on. Let me try and fix this camera angle. But, just got out. I don't even know if I'm blurry or not. Let me see. One hand in it. Got the skills. Autofocus. Hear the click. No click. I think it's in there. I don't know. Y'all let me know. But just got out. Got my stuff on my way home. Let's try this out. How to download a software from the Cricut design space. You just go to cricut.com/setup. What's up, guys? I'm actually gonna grab the camera and bring you guys over here. Say hi, Minnie. She's upset because I'm trying to get this done. But this right here is what it looks like when I'm about to print out a shirt. I got hoodies that I'm gonna be pressing on, and I got this Lost Gang design that I'm actually doing. So we're about to do this cut, and we're gonna see if this thing actually works. So let's go ahead and see. Alright, see you guys in a sec. This thing is actually pretty cool. So I think it's working. I think it's actually cutting it, hopefully. Over here it says it's at, let me try and focus this in. Yeah, I see that 55% now. So it's actually going pretty quick. 67% cutting. I just started it a couple seconds ago. And it's actually cutting, so this is actually real good. Look at that. If you can see me, basically this is already heated up. I had it preheated. It's at 340 right now, and it keeps going up, and I don't want it to go up anymore. I don't know how to make it stop. So then we're just gonna press it down. See if this actually works. 10 seconds. Put it up. Push it down. Clamp it. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just trying this out to see if it. I don't want to mess with it too much more, so I'm going to unplug it so it cools off. But it's not coming off right there and let it Basically that's what it looks like. I didn't let it cool down enough. So there you guys go. Didn't let it cool down enough. The A and the stuff. The N and the G got on there. I'm gonna just peel it off and reuse the shirt. But at least I know it works. I gotta let it cool down. I gotta make sure to read the directions, so next time we're gonna do it.